Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to save a location on the offline map navigation application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on or go to your home page and select your location, either by using the map alone, or you can also use the search bar down below to type in your location. After finding your location, just simply tap on it and click on the save option at the top. Here you should enter your location name. You can add the subtitle below and then click on the save button, so it will be saved. So you will be able to find it anytime, and you can also edit it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.